Plano ISD is designed for every student. Families can choose the specialized path that best fits their child's needs.
Plano gave me the opportunity to try new things such as dual credit and AP classes while still feeling safe and supported.
Our distinguished academies and career and technical education programs prepare students for college, career, and even the opportunity to enter the workforce immediately after graduating from high school.
I want to be a biomedical engineer in college. It's something that I attribute practicum, helped me figuring out.
It's been really fun and interesting. I really do like how we have the opportunity to get our license out of high school.
Because of my experience in Plano ISD, I'm ready to take that next step out of high school.
While achieving the highest levels of academic excellence, students explore career pathways and gain hands-on experience.
You can take those experiences, and during the class period, you can actually go out to hospitals and actually be there to shadow nurses and primary care technicians.
Something that stood out to me about this program, other than the other options, was the license after high school, that I can just work right away and I have a solid foundation.
In Plano ISD, we prepare students for more. We prepare students for life.
Plano ISD has helped me realize that when you put yourself out there, that's when you can achieve your goals.
Great futures begin in Plano ISD. Space is limited. Secure your spot today. Enroll at pisd.edu/enroll.